What's going on, everyone? This is EDC for Fun. Thanks for stopping by, coming at you Saturday morning from the tailgate. I just got back from running some errands. I went for a jog this morning and had to stop by, take care of some stuff. So, of course, I got my keys with my Olight. I forget the model number on this guy. Can't even read it anymore. IEOS, something like that. But these are super handy. Love them. And I got in the pocket the Spyderco Sage 6, rocking that S90V compression button lock. Amazing ergos, beautiful carbon fiber, peel ply texture, wire pocket clip. Love this knife. Perfect EDC. Got in the other pocket, got my Palm OC as always. Something between a harsh word and a gun. Long distance eye poke, if you know, you know. Got the Popov leather card holder. Years of everyday carry. Beautiful patina. Stitching is holding up excellent. Very minimal, super slim front pocket carry. Love that guy. And last but not least, on the wrist, got the classic G-Shock Square. Rocking and rolling. Go to, grab and go, do work, go running, blah, blah, blah. Throw it on, forget about it. Love this guy. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I hope y'all have a fantastic Saturday and a great weekend. God bless you. Peace.